Jordan. Hello. Coffee. Look at him splashing those feet. He loves it. He loves being wet. He's going to be a swimmer. He's in his glory. Hi, Bobby. Hi. You like this? Cute. Dun 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 dun. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, he wants to swim. See? He flaps his hand and kicks his feet. Yes, he does. Hey, you swimmer. You like a fish. You like the water? You like the water? Hey, you. Look at that fish. Nice and clean. He loves the bathtub. Here's a rubber ducky. Here's a rubber ducky. Look. It's a rubber ducky, Papa. Look. He doesn't like it. Mwah. Hey, you. You don't want to hold the rubber ducky? No. You'll probably never remember this, but I will.